Okay, so people asking how about extracting data, use the strip files, and then uh, so we're gonna talk about this one. So in the auxiliary files, there's a strip file, and the strip files panel helping you to create strip files. This one is this on the right side, it just gives you the formatting of strip files, and on the left side, it shows you all the components and the minor edit of it, right? You can draw things. No, you can draw things. You can short things. For example, you want to plot all these things, not plotting, stripping. So I select it, and it's automatically put all these things in that strip area, and you can save the strip file. Let's just strip. Okay, let's just save the strip file. So I'll save that one. Once you save it, I mean you can definitely use regular expressions again to choose. You want to search for parameter part or alphanumeric part. If you want to search the parameter part, you're just giving component numbers, right? All the 222 or 201, something like that, or starting with 102. So there are 12 control systems. Maybe we can add that one there. Okay, so let's just add it there. So also you can load your existing strip files and continue working on that in that Windows. So we already saved a strip file, and later we're gonna use it in the RHYSPLOT. Okay, the strip file, you know it. It just helps you to extract data, a lot of data from the restart file, right? Uh, into Excel. So what are you going to do? How do you deal with that strip file in RHYS environment? Is we have to go back to the RHYS base folder. After you install it, it goes. If you don't change the path of installation, it's going to go to your username and then RHYS-ASYST 3. In that base folder, you see there is a RHYSPLOT, and you can double click it. In that RHYSPLOT, it's another tool for post processing. We just show you the replay, and this one is dedicated for plotting things or taking things out in Excel. So click File and Load Restart, and then you actually go to pick that restart file just generated a while ago, and then that's the restart R file, R source file, and then double click it, and so it's going to load it right here. Now the good part of RHYSPLOT is you can load several restart file and compare the results. You don't have to deal with one at each. So for example, let's try to plot time, and then just double click it, and the time is right here. And if you want to add maybe more plots, you can go with RMS. Okay, you can search, double click right, and you can change the style of the plotting. Okay, you can discover that later on your own pace. And but the thing is, I want to show you how to use the strip file we just created. So click on the restarts. If you have several restarts already, you just choose the one you're interested in and right click on it and run strip file. And it's gonna ask you to select a strip file and go to the file we just created and then click open. And it tells you strip result is saved in that Excel, and that Excel is default is in that same folder as your strip file. So we can go back, desktop, and sample, and you see the we just create that 33040629. Okay, double click it. So this is a strip file. How do you run the strip file? I know you guys are gonna use that a lot, so hopefully this is gonna help you to kind of streamline, speed up a little bit.